Have you ever wished you could upgrade your body and mind? Just like you update your phone or computer. What if I told you there's a way to hack your biology to feel healthier, sharper, and more energized every single day? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the world of biohacking. But what exactly is biohacking? And how can you start your own journey today? Let's dive in. Biohacking is basically the art and science of making small changes to your lifestyle, diet, and environment to optimize your body and mind. Think of it as becoming the engineer of your own biology. But here's a question. Have you ever tracked how your sleep, food, or exercise affects your energy? That's biohacking in action. It's about experimenting on yourself to find what works best for your unique body. Why bother biohacking? Because it can help you unlock benefits like better mental clarity, more energy, improved sleep, and even a stronger immune system. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed every day. Wouldn't that change your life? What's one thing in your daily routine you wish you could improve right now? Here are the core ideas behind biohacking. 1. Self-experimentation. You try different habits or hacks and see how your body responds. 2. Optimization over normalization. Don't settle for just okay. Aim to be your best self. 3. Informed decisions. Use data like sleep trackers or food journals to guide your choices. Does that sound doable? What's one small change you think you could try this week? Nah, let's talk about easy biohacks you can start right now. Try intermittent fasting. It's as simple as limiting your eating to an 8-hour window. Have you ever tried skipping breakfast or eating earlier? Improve your sleep by setting a consistent bedtime and reducing screen time before bed. When was the last time you had a full 8 hours? Practice mindfulness or deep breathing to reduce stress. Can you spare just 5 minutes a day to calm your mind? Which one of these sounds like the easiest to try first? Remember, biohacking is all about tracking and tweaking. How will you know if your new habit is working unless you measure it? Start simple, keep a journal, or use an app to note how you feel each day. What's one thing you want to improve that you can easily track? So, are you ready to take control of your biology and start your biohacking journey? It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Start small, stay curious, and watch how your life transforms. What's your first biohack going to be? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more beginner-friendly tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications.